All right, here we go. We've got the Quarter Spring Farms Lather Challenge 2019. Competing today in the pink corner with the activated charcoal, Amy. She's been training hard. And going up against her today will be Rick with the Nog Champa.
Goat milk soup.
So here we go. And ready, set, go! They're scrubbing hard.
Are you counting?
They want it. They're lathering it up. And 3, 2, 1. Stop! All right, let's see what's going on here. They worked hard. Rick worked up a nice froth, but I don't think it's going to beat Amy.
Well done.
Ding, ding, ding!
I from Quarter Spring Farm.
Oh, that smells great.